How to utilize lead values in pipelines and triggers. In this video, we will demonstrate how lead values function within a pipeline when using the triggers. For demonstration purposes, we've started creating a new trigger which will allow us to add new leads to our pipeline. Using a contact tag trigger type, click on Add Filter and select Tag Added. Then choose Import as the specific tag that's going to assign leads to the pipeline. Once the trigger is set up, we're going to add an action and select Add/Update Opportunity. Then, change the appropriate pipeline as well as the intended stage, which here is the lead stage. Now we're going to assign the lead value. So whenever a contact is given the tag import, it will get added to the lead stage in the pipeline with whatever value you've assigned. Save and activate the trigger once you've finished setting it up. Let's navigate to Contacts and choose a contact that we can give the import tag. Once you've selected a contact, scroll down to Tags and choose Import. Save the contact and go to the pipeline. As you can see, the contact has been placed in the lead stage of the pipeline and assigned a lead value of $1,000. Now you can drag and drop the contact in any stages of the pipeline, but the lead value won't change when you do this. If you want the lead value to increase as the contact moves up to the next stage, here's what you can do. Add a new appointment trigger. For this video, we will just edit the trigger we created earlier. Select In Calendar and the appropriate calendar as the trigger filter. Then select Appointment Status and Confirmed as the second trigger filter. Under the action, select the second stage, which here is labeled Book Call. Then you can increase the lead value to the appropriate value. Now we're going to navigate to Appointments and schedule the previous contact a new appointment. Select the appropriate calendar and choose the correct contact. Make sure that the appointment status is confirmed. Once we go back to the pipeline, you'll be able to see that the contact has moved to the next stage and the lead value has increased. These two trigger examples have shown you how you can use triggers to adjust the lead value and contact placement in the pipeline.